One of our viewers asks, hey, am I understanding correctly that we can interconnect different Kubernetes clusters, GKE, so that's going to be Google's compute and Kubernetes solution, AKS, that's Azure's, EKS, that's going to be AWS, RK2, Talos, K0s. K0s, by the way, a Mirantis open source project we're very excited about, and is also have some great security certifications in case you're looking to deploy in environments where you need a higher level of reliability. And manage workloads across them like a single large Kubernetes environment. That's right. Even though they're individual targeted Kubernetes clusters, you can manage them from the central location and make sure that the app and services are being upgraded, secured, and visible across wherever they're deployed. And it says, and provided we deploy Calico service mesh and allow network connectivity between clusters. So you can manage it. You can manage the clusters themselves through Cordon, and then that network visibility layer, that network solution, those policies, that ability to discover services, all coming from the Tigera service mesh component. So it kind of glues the two together and builds this strong platform that you can launch off of.
Yeah, I think what's also interesting is, as we've seen customers and users deploy clusters, I like the idea of a cluster template because I've seen my fair share of like configuration drift. So the idea of having that cluster template and the idea of having those service templates that then you could deploy to any cluster that you may have and ensure that they have seamless connectivity through the cluster mesh. I think that's a kind of really attractive proposition, given that I think folks have like struggled over time, and I've seen a lot of like creative network plumbing to get multi-cluster environments to work. And as users are kind of re-evaluating their infrastructure stack for AI workloads, I think it's a really good opportunity to think about how they want to make sure that they're able to seamlessly deploy multiple clusters, make sure they are consistent, as well as ensure seamless connectivity. So I think it's a good opportunity to kind of revisit how some of these things are being done.
Yeah, I think that's right. I just dovetail a little bit more even on Adil's answer. The ability to stamp out a cluster and know that that cluster is going to be consistent from both an infrastructure perspective, a network perspective, and an application perspective allows you to have the confidence to place them wherever you need to and know that they're going to be the same, or they're going to be regionalized. So you know that everything in Americas has the correct routing, has the correct service agreement capabilities, has the correct policies.